shape of s orbital? What is the shape? It's spherically symmetrical. And when we talk about its direction, it is non-directional. Okay. Now when we talk about the shape, spherically. This is which axis? X-axis. Z. This is spherically symmetrical. S overlapping takes place along molecular axis and passing through two nuclei of bonding atoms coaxially and forms sigma mono. We can take the example of formation of H2 molecule. Okay, now formation of H2 molecule, H2, two hydrogen atoms take part in bonding. What is the Z? Atomic number? 1, 1. Now when we talk about the electronic configuration of hydrogen, it is 1s, 1s, 1. Okay? Now what is the condition? It should be, my atomic orbital should be half filled. It should be half filled and they should present in which form? Unpaired form and opposite spin. So one hydrogen yes, one S, other S, and they form S overlap, and the type of covalent bond is SS covalent. Is that clear? This is the first type of overlapping, SS overlap. No. Other p orbital of the overlap between two half-filled p orbitals of two different atoms, each having unpaired electrons with opposite spin, is called pp overlap, and the covalent bond is formed is called pp bond. Now we know that about p orbital was the shape, dumbbell shape, and the directional character. We know that p orbital this type. As a whole, we can draw yes or no? Px, Py and Pz. P orbital present in this way along the axis. It means they are having some directional properties or directional characters. Very important point. When p orbital take part in overlap, the other lobe of p orbital gets reduced in size, shrink like this. Example, formation of F2 molecule. Formation of F2 molecule when two F atoms overlap or take part in a covalent bond. Atomic number 9. Electronic configuration
1s2, 2s2, 2p,
2p
5,
1s2, 2s2, 2p. I can write down this in this way also.